What's good, guys? It's ABFX and you're welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be going through Euro USD, showing you guys what I'm looking at on the chart and how I anticipate to engage, right? So this is, first of all, this is GBP card. GBP card has been really, I don't know, man, stressful. I will say, because all of this you see right here is is JB card over the past 6 to 7 weeks. And this is, trade that I've been on multiple times. So it's my setup. If you know what I trade, this is what I trade. The normal liquidity sweep down here. The normal liquidity sweep down here, then change of character, wait for price to come, take out the inducement, then you buy. So I bought here, price was just messing around, closed, and then I saw that the same thing repeated itself, right? Liquidity sweep, break of structure or change of character, inducement, price came back and, has tapped into has cleared the inducement, and I'm expecting our price to buy. So this is just it. But it's just taking forever to play out. That's my frustration with GBP card. But aside that, let's go to Euro USD and see what Euro USD is doing. So this is Euro USD on the 4-hour time frame. Now, Euro USD, I have been anticipating a buy, a sell to buy actually. I've been anticipating a price is going to buy all the way to this high right here. All the way to this high. So we have a low, price came, formed a lower high, but then failed to form a lower low. If this had broken this low here, we would have still been anticipating or looking forward to continue selling, right? But then this low failed to form a lower low, and then it came and broke this high here. So because of this change in character, I am anticipating that Euro USD will continue to buy until it takes out this high here. So now, having that bias in mind, what I then started to look for was for opportunities to buy, like demand zones or supports that I'll buy from, right? So one of which is this particular area of demand, which is not mitigated, it has not been tapped into. Because if you look from down here, everywhere seems to have already been, filled in. This particular zone, let me remove this. This is an imbalance or a fair value gap which has partially been filled, right? So after price filled here, you see that it came broke this place, then further broke structure above here too. So we already have, some proper price action, like some balanced price action down here. But then the next place of interest to me is here, because we have liquidity resting just above it, and then this is somewhere around 50% of this range. I want to draw the flip. Yeah, you see, it's around 0.5. That's 50% of the range, and then we have this liquidity resting, and this zone has not yet been tapped by price. So this looks like a good place to look for the buy continuation, right? So that's why I have my buy limit placed here, and I'm waiting for this correction to, to happen. I want this correction to happen and come all the way down here for me to buy. So, but then while I was waiting for the correction, I saw a lot of interesting price action on Euro USD, a lot of sell opportunities that, you know, presented itself. I'm usually very careful. I don't like selling in in buy market. Once I get that my bias is buy, I just like to just chill out and look for the buys. But then Euro USD has just been giving a lot of sell opportunities. So we had this sweep here, then we got the change of character here. immediately I saw this, I already was expecting that price to sell, but then I was not interested. Like I was just chilling, but then it just kept repeating itself. So the first sell opportunity was this one. I personally did not care to take this trade. Why? Because there was no any inducement or there was no any inducement or um engineered liquidity. There was no any liquidity before this PUI, so I didn't care to take this. But then price sold. So this will have been the first opportunity, right? Then the next one was here. If you look very carefully, this was indeed the liquidity or the engineered liquidity of that price used to sell this particular sell because price took it out. Price took this high out. So this happened so quick in the early hours. By the time I came to the chart, this had already happened. So this would have been the trade that I would have taken if I was on the chart because everything aligns, right? Everything aligns. We have the break of structure to the downside, further break of structure, right? Then liquidity here, price taps it and sells. So this would have been the perfect trade for about 1 to 4 self. But I didn't take this because I was not on the chart. Then aside this, after price broke structure again to the downside, we still have our point of interest to look for, right? So here you see that this is a zone. So I was looking at the price here. The reason why I didn't take this trade also is because my stop loss was too large. I didn't want to put my stop loss above here because of course price can just go above it, right? So this was my idea for the trade. I just wanted to see price take out this Asia high and then it goes down. So I did something like this, but my stop loss was here. I take profit all the way here. So it was just about 1 to 2. Even if I'm targeting these lows here, it wasn't really giving me what I wanted. So I just ignored the trade. But then it still played out. Still played out. So we had this liquidity sweep here and then price drop. Now going to yesterday's price action. Yesterday's price action. This was a trade that one could have entered. But then if you enter this trade, you will have still been in the trade up to now because price have not come to take out this low. So yesterday, when I saw this very clean price action, the same thing I always look for, sweep, change of character, and then entry, right? So this is the sweep. Price swept this Asian high, then came and broke or change character down here. So when I saw this, I was already looking for the comeback, the retracement for price to come and then tap and then sell. So the first place I pointed out was here. Even though this was not very appropriate because liquidity had been taken. If you look very carefully, you see that liquidity was grabbed here. But then I just still felt, man, even though liquidity was taken here, this price action is kind of messy. Price can still come all the way here. So I just, to be safe, you know, I just put my entry here and I left it. So price came, broke this structure here, then came back up. It didn't reach here. It came and took this liquidity here and sold. But the thing is, it sold, but then it didn't break structure to the downside. And then now we have price dancing, playing around. So price is now back here. So now I have two options, two things I'm looking at. One, it's either I just leave price. In fact, that's what I'm going to do. This is a zone, but it's not valid because it didn't break structure to the downside here. So I just put this here for putting sake to see what price will do, not like I'm even going to take the trade. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this because as it this even seems like it's not going to hold from the way price is going up, right? So I will just wait for this particular level of liquidity or inducement to see if price will come tap us in and then go down to our take profit. So right now on Euro USD, this is what I'm anticipating. I'm anticipating this move. This is the trade I'm anticipating. We have the sweep, the change in character, inducement or liquidity. Price comes and taps it, then we'll get the sell. Let's see how it goes. Now, I'm going to be looking to hold the trade all the way till down here because I'm expecting Euro USD to get here. So I'll look to hold this trade all the way to down here. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'll give you guys an update later and let's see how this trade played out. Alright guys, so if you got value in this, don't forget to like and share and then subscribe to this channel. I'll drop the link to my Telegram. If you want to follow my trades, you can check the description of this video. You'll find the link to my Telegram. Cheers guys, I'll see you in the next one.